Snowmageddon Part 2, 2011. The second straight hour of snowing. Hasn't really started to stick yet, but as you can see, these flurries have a mind of their own. So we'll see what happens. It's about 7 now, so we shall see what happens. Will we ever get out? You heard it here first. Towers East, 841. Snowmageddon, 2011. If it never stops snowing, hopefully someone will find this video if I starve to death, because all I have is an old chili dog from Fuddruckers, maybe a pack of noodles, and a bunch of Delta gifts. So, if I have to use that for fire, sorry to my prophytes who work so hard on those gifts. Yeah. Snowmageddon.